Hey everybody, Brittany Heller with HeatSpring here to talk to you today about the BPI, or the Building Performance Institute, Infiltration and Duct Leakage Certification, also commonly called IDL for short. And this certification equips contractors with essential skills for conducting duct leakage and blower door testing. And this certification is ideal for builders, remodelers, HVAC specialists, and insulation professionals who need to verify compliance with IECC codes in both new construction and home renovation projects. This IDL certification validates your expertise in performing duct leakage tests and blower door tests, which are critical requirements for ensuring energy efficiency in residential construction. So, if this sounds like a good fit for you, let's dive into all the requirements and things you need to know to get your IDL certification. Eligibility requirements. There are no prerequisites to be eligible to take the IDL field exam. So, anybody working in this space with the knowledge can sit for this exam. And by sit, I mean take the field exam. Topics covered on the exam. So you can find a full list of knowledge, skills, and abilities for the IDL exam in the Functions and Tasks section of the IDL Certification Scheme Handbook. Let's take a look at a couple of those categories, though, right now. First, you can see setup and preparation, and there's the ability to do some things as well as the knowledge. You'll also need to know about total leak diagnostic, and you'll have to have the ability to do all of these things listed here. Also, feel free to pause this at all if you want to look at this, or just check out, again, the Certification Scheme Handbook. All right, taking a look at the leakage to outdoors diagnostic. So there's a whole list of things you'll need to have the ability to do. There'll also be a section on infiltration evaluation where you'll need to have the ability to do all of these things. And finally, you'll need to be able to do the analysis of these particular things listed here. In addition to checking out that scheme handbook, you'll also want to check out the IDL Certification Field Guide. And this summarizes pretty much the same information, but it's what you're going to be tested on in your field exam. So make sure that you have reviewed this and you feel very confident before you take the exam. How can you prepare for the exam? So we recommend that you set yourself up for success with HeatSpring's comprehensive infiltration and duct leakage certification training course. It is not required, though. So it is helpful to have formal education, but it's not absolutely necessary to be eligible to sit for this exam. Let's talk exam details. So this is, again, a hands-on field exam, and it can be taken remotely. So you don't need to travel to a place. You can set this up to be done remotely. This exam is also open book, so you can use reference materials. You just can't phone a friend or ask anybody else, a human person, to help you. And finally, this exam is 1.5 hours long. A passing score on this exam is 85% or higher, and the exam fee cost is $450 to take this remote field exam. Let's say you score that 85% or higher and you are now officially IDL certified. Congrats. Now that you're certified, you will need to renew your certification every 3 years. And there's really two main ways you can do that. The first is accumulate a minimum of 1,000 hours of experience related to the IDL certification. So that's going to include a lot of the things we've talked about, which are diagnostic measurements, infiltration and duct leakage testing, interpretation of test results, oversight, and QA, or quality assurance. Or if you don't accumulate that minimum of 1,000 hours, you can also successfully challenge the IDL exam again at the time of renewal. Certification renewal fees will be due to BPI when you do this process of recertification, and how much it is depends on how many certifications you will be renewing. And you can see that right here on the screen. All right, that's all I got on the IDL certification. If you have any questions at all about how to qualify, information you need, or courses, or anything else at all related to BPI certification, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@heatspring.com, and we'll see you in class.